So this is exactly how to log into Disney Plus on your TV. So firstly, open up the Disney Plus app here as you can see, and then we're just gonna wait for it to load. Quite often it's gonna be quite fast here as you can see. Then click on login. You can see here in the bottom left corner, click on login. And then what you need to do is to grab your phone and scan this QR code right here as you can see, and then click on the yellow text here where it says Disney Plus. It's gonna then, I think it's gonna either take you to the app or to the website. I'm guessing it's probably the website, which is kind of annoying because I have the app, but yeah, it is what it is, I guess. So we're gonna see it's gonna load here for us. And I'm just gonna click on accept all here. And now I need to log into my account to be able to access it. So now I'm going to log into my Disney Plus account on my mobile. So when I logged into my account here, as you can see, then my TV will be all set as well. So I'm just gonna click on continue to Disney Plus, and you can see I'm now logged in. So this is basically exactly how to actually do this.